Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the smoky grunge look. Starting with my Vice Brown Trio from Farmasi, I'm going to take this warm brown shade and I'm going to make sure it's nice and blended in my crease.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me.
Now I'm going to take my Farmasi Ultimate Smoky Trio and taking this black, I'm going to put it on my lid and blend it up into the brown. Blending is really the key to this whole look. After packing on that black, I'm going to get a clean fluffy brush and just smooth out that edge. If you need to, don't be afraid to add a little bit more black. Taking this warm brown again, I'm just going to bring that along the edge one more time to make it a little more bold and just blend it a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this light shimmer shade and use it as an underbrow highlight.
I know you are with me, yeah.
Taking this fluffy brush, I'm just going to make sure that's nice and blended. Back to the Ultimate Smoky Trio, I'm going to take the white and use it as an inner corner highlight. Just pack it on your very inner corner. Now that that's blended in, I'm going to take this warm shade and bring it to my lower lash line. To darken it up a little bit, I'm going to take the black and also bring that to my lower lash line and just blend it in. Now taking my Farmasi Express waterproof eyeliner pencil in black, I'm going to bring that to my lower waterline, and then I'm also going to bring it up to my top lid. This is optional, but I'm going to tightline as well by bringing it to my upper waterline. Now to finish it off, I'm going to get some Zen mascara from Farmasi and I'm going to do my lashes before I put some falsies on. This is the final look. I really hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I am also on Facebook at A Splash of Beauty where I go live. Products used will be listed in the description. Thank you guys for watching.